If you're Android users, chances are that at some point you have visited the Google Play Store with the intent to find and install new apps or update existing ones. If you found yourselves trying to install multiple apps at once, you'll probably notice they form a queue and download one after the other. Even with fast internet access like Wi-Fi or 5G, you're still stuck with downloading apps to finish one by one. According to the SP Android, this is about to change. Years ago, a Reddit post hinted that Google might be experimenting with parallel app downloads. This function never materialized and was forgotten, along with many features that Google tests on a regular basis and never make it for stable releases. Google Play version 40.0.13 brings renewed hope with experiment flag hinted at the long awaited parallel download feature. This is still work in progress though. Initial test shows you can indeed download multiple apps at the same time, but this functionality seems to be limited to installing new apps and might not work with updating existing app. Google seems to have capped the number of simultaneous downloads at two by default. The tech-savvy users might be able to tweak it for more parallel downloads. This feature can be useful for people who frequently switch devices and like to explore new apps. It remains to be seen if Google will expand its capabilities to include updates as well for further.